How to fix KompoZer on Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script that should uninstall KompoZer on Mac. #bin/bash #stop KompoZer if it's currently running. If pgrep KompoZer/dev/null, then killall KompoZer by #remove the KompoZer application sudo rmrf/application/KompoZer.app #remove KompoZer's preferences and cache file sudo rmrf/library/preferences/KompoZer/sudo rmrf/library/application /support/KompoZer/sudo rmrf/library/caches/KompoZer/echo. KompoZer has been successfully uninstalled. Here's how you can use the script. 1. Open the terminal application on your Mac. 2. Create a new file with the script text above and save it as uninstall_KompoZer.sh. 3. In the terminal, navigate to the directory where you saved the script file using the cd command. 4. Make the script executable by running the command mod +x uninstall_KompoZer.sh. 5. Run the script by entering /uninstall_KompoZer.sh in the terminal. 6. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Please note that you'll need administrator privileges to run this script. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.